My name is Perry Pope. I'm an install technician with Benchmark Tool and Supply. Today we're going to be installing the Topcon 3D-MC Max system on a Caterpillar D5K2. When we roll up on the job, we assess the dozer and figure out locations on where to mount sensors, antennas, control box in the MCR3. We start our welding process. We go into welding our sensors on the blade. We go into welding our sensor on the body. We move from there to the top of the cab, which will mount two GPS antennas on top, one in the front, one in the rear. Usually have some help out with me. They'll usually start inside the cab, mounting the MCR3, the control box, and by the end of the process, we should be meeting inside the cab to hook all the cables and connections up. After the installation is complete, we start the measurement process, which is done with our total station. So we then begin our calibration process, which is a 5-step process. In that 5-step process, we will be calibrating the blade sensor and the body sensor. All the work and extra precision we put into this system on the installation side results in the customer having more accurate readings within the job site.